Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name's Joey Andron. I'm a licensed real estate advisor right here in the Las Vegas Valley. Today, I am gonna take you on a tour of the most beautiful outdoor shopping mall right here in Summerlin. Now, if you ever thought about moving to the Las Vegas area, Summerlin has probably popped up on your radar. And I can definitely say you'll be absolutely impressed with what I'm about to show you. And if you stick with me all the way to the very end, I'll show you exactly what your money can buy you right here in this neighborhood. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do and hit that like button. I truly appreciate the support. So here at Tivoli Village, you're gonna find a lot of high-end boutiques, furniture stores like this one. This is Restoration Hardware. If you know, you know. If not, you should know. This is one of my favorite furniture stores, and look how beautiful the design of their store is. But here at Tivoli, they have a lot of green space where you can just kind of hang out and enjoy the afternoon. They also have some great restaurants here, some cafes. We're gonna walk by Lyonnais Cafe, which is one of the most popular cafes here. On a Saturday afternoon and Sunday afternoon, the place is jam-packed. People are standing outside, waiting for seating, waiting to get in. So if you do plan to come to this area and you're hungry, make sure you get here with enough time because the wait is typically about 30 to 40 minutes. Here at Tivoli Village, as you can see, the design is very unique to Las Vegas. You really don't see this anywhere else. All of the stone was imported from the Middle East and Israel, and the developer is the same developer who built Queensridge, which is right across the street. Maybe your high-end condos and single-family homes, ranging anywhere between 2 to 3 million and up. But I just love the cobblestone streets, lined with the trees, just super nice and relaxed. There are a few spaces available for lease, so if you are considering opening a business here in the Summerlin area, this might be a good place to explore. This Mexican restaurant is absolutely amazing. It's El Dorado Cantina. They have some fantastic Mexican food there. Across the way is Stitched, which if you're looking for a custom suit, that is a great place to start. A very nice steakhouse called Echo and Rig. They just opened their second location in Green Valley. If you watched that video that I just filmed a couple days ago, I showed you that location, but this location is their flagship. It's quite difficult to get a reservation, so make sure you do it with enough advance notice. Across the way, that's Parkway Tavern, which is your sports bar. Then we have Al Solito Posto, which is an Italian restaurant. Let me know what you guys think of this place. Please drop your comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I will certainly get back to you with any of the answers I can provide. And then just across the way there, those tall condos, that's Queensridge. Those are gonna run you around $2 to $3 million. So if you're looking for that luxury home in the sky and you wanna be in the Summerlin area, that is a great place to start. All right, now that we walked around Tivoli Village, I'm gonna jump across the street and show you Bocek Park because that's gonna be another area where you're probably gonna be spending a lot more time. They have a lot of restaurants and shopping and things like that, so let's get to it. So just across the street from Tivoli Village, we have Bocek Park, which has more restaurants and more shops, and it's a great place to spend an afternoon for lunch or dinner because you have Cheesecake Factory, you have Kona Grill, you have Panera Bread if you just want something quick, but it's a great place to hang out. And right across the street is one of my favorite restaurants. You have North Italia and Flower Child. All right, so I just jumped in the car and I'm gonna take you guys out to Summerlin West, which is the newest village in Summerlin's master plan. And for those of you that don't know, Summerlin sits on the west side of the Las Vegas Valley, right up against Red Rock National Park. And it's probably the most desirable master plan in all of Las Vegas to live. And the really exciting thing is that they keep expanding and they keep building. So there's a lot of options here. Your base price on some of these homes are gonna be starting in the 500s to 600,000s, and then they go all the way up to well over $1 million. So there are options at every price level, but it is gonna be your highest price per square foot in the entire valley. But I'm really excited to show you exactly what your money can buy you, so make sure you stick with me all the way to the end. All right, so this is the Cottonwood floor plan. It's 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with a 2-car garage, and it's 2,370 square feet. Now, Richmond is a spec builder. So what that means is that they are already speccing the homes out after they release them. They're selecting their structural options, they're selecting the high and low voltage, all the design options, because they want to really keep the build process moving along so they can really control prices. And believe it or not, they just had another $6,000 price increase. But you can buy this floor plan for $843,860. That's all in, including lot premium. Now, what I'm gonna show you is the model home. It's not the actual home that's for sale, but I can tell you they spec them out really, really nicely. Now, lot premiums in this community can range anywhere between $25,000 up to $60,000. Of course, the higher the lot premium, the more choice the lot is, whether you have a view or it's a corner lot or it's just elevated with a beautiful backdrop of the mountain. Here in all of these homes actually that Richmond offers, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on the first and second floor with 8-foot doors. So it really makes the house feel nice and open. So right off of the front door here, you're gonna have a coat closet. This home really feels nice and inviting. I like how this is all laid out. The kitchen is in the back corner. You have an integrated dining area. And then off to the right here is a bathroom and bedroom. You have a full closet down here. I wanna say this one measures out to, I would say 12 by 10. It's a little bit larger than the rooms upstairs. I'd say those are about 10 by 10s, but we'll get there in a minute. Here you'll have granite countertops, which is a standard, and a walk-in shower with with the glass enclosure. Then here's storage area under the stairs. So when the builder specs these homes out, they typically choose everything that's trending, what most people like nowadays, because everybody has a different style and it's constantly changing. So what they'll do is spec some homes out with the white cabinets, cafe, and gray. They'll typically do those 3 colors. Now with these homes, even with the spec homes, your refrigerator is not included, so that's something you'll have to purchase after you close. Some of the homes will have a double oven or just single oven with the microwave above the cooktop. This is a really nice feature as well. You have the window above the sink, so as you're cleaning or prepping, you can overlook your backyard. This is your pantry on this side. But I think this is a great space for a family or for anybody to entertain, because most people end up in the kitchen, and you have a nice size island here, right off of the dining, which is in front of that slider that takes you out to that backyard. Now, this slider is a center opening. They do have a stackable. The stackable is a little bit more expensive, so depending on the options they put into the home, they might go with the less expensive one just to control pricing. All right, let's make our way upstairs. One of the benefits of this floor plan in particular, even when it's a 5-bedroom, you don't lose the loft. And this is a great space, especially if you have a larger family or roommates, because it is a 5-bedroom, and if all the bedrooms are full, you don't want to have everyone crammed downstairs watching TV. This is a great space to have in the house. On the second floor, you'll have your laundry room. So again, the sink, upper cabinets might not be included in the spec home, nor will the appliances. So just keep that in mind. Sometimes the builder does select those or include those, so that's something that we would have to look at when reviewing the included options. This is the primary bedroom, king size bed with 2 end tables, the windows, just a really great space. And from this home, you can see the entire valley. You have the Las Vegas Strip over there. This view is absolutely incredible at night. Whoever buys this home is gonna absolutely love it. Or if you buy a home with a strip view in this community, gosh, I can tell you, I've had clients who've paid $500,000 for a strip view. And in this community, if you can get one for $60,000, $70,000, that's a steal. So you have your shower and your tub. I really like this marble that they included in the model home here. This is really pretty. It's the same one that's on the island downstairs. Here's your closet. This is gonna be an upgrade, that little Alpha system and drawers. Typically, the builder will just give you 1 shelf across with the bar. You're gonna have 6-inch baseboards that are gonna be standard in this home. Here's another storage or linen closet. And on this side, we have 2 more bedrooms. All of these bedrooms are gonna be about the same size. Here is the full bathroom for these 3 bedrooms of a shower tub combination. So overall, the Cottonwood is a great floor plan. Brand new 5-bedroom home, completely spec'd out in Summerlin West. You can buy this home, this floor plan for $843,860. If you want more information about this community or another community here in Summerlin West, make sure you reach out to me. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour today. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. All my contact information is below. I would love to help you with your home purchase and your transition here to the Las Vegas or Henderson area. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.